Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bloom in Blender. First, understand that bloom is a beautiful visual effect that simulates light bleeding from bright areas, creating a soft glow. It's a post-processing effect, meaning it's applied after the initial rendering. This can significantly enhance the realism and aesthetic quality of your scenes, making light sources appear more vibrant and atmospheric. We'll go through the simple steps to activate and customize it. To enable bloom, begin by opening your Blender project. Next, look for the Render Properties tab on the right-hand side, which is represented by a small camera icon. Once there, scroll down until you find the Bloom section. Simply click the checkbox next to Bloom to turn it on. You should immediately see a subtle glow around bright objects in your viewport, bringing your scene to life. Now let's customize the bloom effect. The threshold setting determines how bright a pixel needs to be to emit bloom. A lower value means more areas will glow. Radius controls the spread of the glow, with larger values creating a wider effect, often set between 0.1 and 10. Finally, intensity adjusts how bright the bloom appears, usually ranging from 0 to 2. Experiment with these three key parameters to achieve your desired visual style. For more advanced bloom techniques, remember that bloom works effectively in both Eevee and Cycle's render engines, offering distinct visual qualities. Don't hesitate to experiment with the bloom's color and blend modes to achieve unique artistic expressions, perhaps a subtle blue glow or a vibrant red. Also, try combining bloom with other post-processing effects, such as depth of field or motion blur, to create truly stunning and immersive renders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.